Hey, this is Kevin over at Wise Glass again. Today we're going to be changing out an IGU. IGU stands for insulated glass unit. Today the one we're changing out unfortunately got shot by a BB gun, cracked the glass. First things first we're going to do is pull this vinyl stops very easily without breaking them or damaging them. We'll go ahead and show you how we're going to do that. We'll go ahead and go to the outside and cut the unit free with a razor blade or a putty knife. This unit is actually double-sided taped in, so it's going to be fairly easy to cut out. Some other units are going to be siliconed in, which is going to require a little bit more work. Once we got the stops pulled, we're going to go ahead and double check our measurements to make sure that the one we ordered is correct. It's going to suck pulling this one out and putting a piece of glass in that doesn't fit. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Alright. Class dismissed.
Alright, now that we got our stops off the window, we're going to go ahead and double check the sizes of the glass to make sure that it is accurate size. At 31 7/8 by 23 1/8. So we're going to go ahead and double check. So what we're going to be doing here is we're just going to get our blade, put it straight up in there up against the glass and into the vinyl, and just cut straight across, cut loose. Make sure you got your safety gloves on, because one slip can take off a knuckle. And there you go. If you're not careful enough, the glass will just fall right in. So make sure you have someone on the inside or have your suction cup on the glass. It's alright. We just got a little mess to clean up. We'll pick that up and get the new glass put in. Grow into your dreams. Wise Glass style. Oh! Where'd that come from? That's why you don't carry a ladder when you're trying to record. Money, money. Look at that money just sitting there. Someone left us a couple $100. It's fake. And look what she did. Alright, well, there you go. There's your double-sided tape. We're going to go ahead and clean all this off. We're gonna go back in with silicone, not double-sided tape, as I do not believe double-sided tape is secure. Once you got your glass in there, go ahead and put your stops right back on. Make sure they snap in. Hear a little click. And here it is, finished product.